Good morning everybody, welcome to another outing with me. Today we are here at the FLW Cast for Cash at the Vaal River. As you can see behind me, all the boats on the water, everyone pretty much ready, just waiting to pick a number. But we are here to see if we can get another good position. We are sitting in 5th at the moment, so hopefully we can keep that or jump up a few spots and see how it goes on the water. So yeah, wish us luck and catch you on the water in a few seconds.
Yes, please guys, I ask you, please visit Nuno's website and like and subscribe to his channel, Facebook channel, all great stuff, all to the benefit of the sport. Thank you very much, have a great day guys.
Yeah, so first spot, let's see how it goes. Hit those thumbs up to wish us some luck guys, and carry on watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Vierde plek, totale zak 3-4, 5-0. Grootste vis in die zak 1-3, 7-0, 5 reserve. Het gaat naar team Timols. Juan de 2, Nuno Ovido. 6200 rand. De totale zak is 5040 kilogram. De grootste vis 1495. Dit gaat naar team Madfit. Frans Sonneko, Leslie Montgomery. Kom Leslie, wat kan jij die goed doen? Jij praat me zo lekker nonsens. Zo, hoe is het niet komen?
Toen ons gewoon gesê, ons het vanochtend afgehaardloop, limit gekry en die middag het ons opgehaald van die rivieren en ons het by een boom gestop en ons het 4 van ons geupgrade in ons werk en dit was die dag geweest. Ja, ons het so
'n half uur 6 visse gevang vir een bloemag. Ek wou net so net jy weet, jy moet net jy weet hoe vis wat wag is. Dit is you just stop at the right place and the right time. That was it.
So guys, as you saw, we managed a 4th place. All thanks to Juan. He caught all the fish today. I struggled. I just couldn't pick up fish. I lost a few fish, but I couldn't pick up any fish. I think a lot of the guys struggled today. The bags weren't big. I think the biggest bag, the winner, was in the 5 kilo range, and we were 3.48 or 3.47, something like that. So yeah, it was a tough day at the river today. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Quick shout out to all our sponsors. Transvaal Training, Timols Fishing Tackle, Itties Secret Baits. Yeah, and thanks to them. If it wasn't for them, you know, it wouldn't be that possible. They've made it much easier for us to run this tournament. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe like always, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Caught in the crossfire.